mar Kenya Kwanza ema koro puodhi kaka kweth mathoth e od bura.
Spika mar od bura Moses Wetangula olando ayanga ni Kenya Kwanza ni kod jod bura mathoth makwan gi romo 179 ka Azimio la Umoja ni kod jod bura 157.
Elendo mare Wetangula wacho ni nitie duond buche ma oseramo ne gidare e Azimio la Umoja, kendo mano nyiso ni koro Kenya Kwanza e mathoth kod jod bura. Walter Nyambaga ni giler mathoth.
Order, honorable members, order.
Spika mar od bura mamalo Moses Spika Wetangula gikone toke ayanga ni kweth mar Kenya Kwanza e kweth jo od bura mathoth e od bura mar 13. Okang' mane okawo tielo ni duond buche e kaka mano mar PA, MDG kod UDM osedare kanyakla mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance kendo ok nyal thungi mar dhi nyime kod bedo Azimio la Umoja.
With the 14 members, the membership of the Kenya Kwanza coalition stands at 179 members, while the membership of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party stands at 157 members. This by implication indicates that the Kenya Kwanza coalition is the majority party, and the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition party is the minority party in this house.
In line with the rules of natural justice, tenets of democracy, and established jurisprudence, I would wish to give notice that we shall be moving, Mr. Speaker, shall be moving you to review your decision.
Wetangula bende ni oketa yanga ni ja od bura maki Kuyu Kimani Chungwa e jatend kweth mathoth e od bura e kaja od bura maki Lifi North Owen Baya e jalupne. Ja od bura ma Ogunja Opiyo Wandayi e biro bedo kata kweth mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance kaka kweth manok e kaja od bura ma Suna East Junet Mohamed e mabiro lego kweth mar Azimio la Umoja e od bura.
The member for Kikuyu constituency, the Honorable Kimani Chungwa. The member for Kilifi North, the Honorable Owen Baya, is the deputy leader of the majority party. That with regard to the minority party, the member for Ugunja, the Honorable Opiyo Wandayi, is the leader of the minority party. The member for Kadiani, the Honorable Robert Mbui, is the deputy leader of the minority party. The member for Suna East, the Honorable Junet Mohamed, is the minority party whip.
Ng'eto mar Wetangula okelo ng'ur kachiel kod achiedh nade kind jo od bura ma Kenya Kwanza kod Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance e od bura.
He has decided that he is the court, he is the registrar, and he is the speaker. Now, this is a very dark day for our country.
This house is a house of order, but we have no respect of rule of law.
Eseche to jo od bura ma Kenya Kwanza to nyiso mor margi kachiel kod ikruok mar biro rakore twak e kod Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance e od bura e kalo chike.
Whether in the majority, whether in minority, representing the people of Kenya and to serve the people of Kenya. Therefore, I want to extend a hand of friendship and invite them to join us in holding government to account.
Tunataka tuambie wa Kenya kwamba sisi sasa ni wakati tunataka kuanza kufanya kazi. Hatutaki side shows, hatutaki contest ya vitu vidogo vidogo hata huku bungeni.
Ege ngurni tendago kochalo kagimo neno ng'eto mar Spika Moses Wetangula kagitene kod ng'eto moyiengo kwan mar Azimio la Umoja 150 kod 6 ka Kenya Kwanza to yangorene nigi 179.
Dictatorship can come from the executive, it can come from the legislature, and it can come from the judiciary. What we have witnessed today is dictatorship by parliament and through the speaker.
We have seen him disregard the very law that was formulated. Today, if you want to know a member of parliament, you get a letter from the IEBC.
If they so wish, they can go to court, but the ruling of the speaker is always final. When the speaker has made a final ruling, that is final.
E kweth mar Kenya Kwanza ojiwo mago mag Azimio la Umoja ni mondo yie ochwad gi chung ng'eto mar Spika kendo gidhi nyime kod chwalo dongruok.
We want to tell the people of Kenya, this matter has been brought to a rest today. We have to see our members of parliament now working.
I don't think that there will be any change. The reality is that we are the majority and we have the other team from UDM.
And there's nothing wrong for a post-election engagement as long as the parties in then at that time agree.
And congratulations to minority for winning that position of minority.
Bang Spika mamalo Moses Spika Wetangula yango kweth mar Kenya Kwanza kaka kweth man kod kwan mar jo od bura mathoth. Jo od bura ma ogunjo pio wandai koro buogo chopie do mar manya dieri motenre kod chik. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV, Parliament Building, Nairobi.